Welcome to Cadre's companion video to the IDEA Special Education Resolution Meetings Parent Guide. After a parent files a due process complaint, parents and school districts have the opportunity to resolve issues through a resolution meeting. This video explains what a resolution meeting is and provides strategies that can help you, as a parent, prepare for a meeting. Resolution meetings are described generally for Part B of the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA. This resource is not intended to interpret, modify, or replace any procedural safeguards or requirements of federal or state law. A resolution meeting is a dispute resolution process that takes place after a parent files a due process complaint. A resolution meeting offers parents and the school district the opportunity to discuss the concerns identified in the due process complaint and resolve issues before a due process hearing happens, and there is no cost to parents. Unless you hire an attorney, the only cost to you is the time it takes for you to prepare and participate. There are many benefits of resolution meetings. They provide a chance for you and your child's school to work together to resolve issues before a due process hearing takes place. They can even prevent the need for a due process hearing, which can be expensive and have a negative effect on relationships. An additional benefit is that the resolution meeting keeps the decision-making with you and the school, and there will be someone at the meeting who can make decisions on behalf of the school district. In a due process hearing, a hearing officer who does not know your child decides how to resolve the dispute. Participants include the parent, someone from the school district who can make decisions on behalf of the school, and Individualized Education Program, IEP, team members who have knowledge about the facts listed in the due process complaint. The parent and school district decide together which members of the IEP team should attend the resolution meeting. A parent may also choose to bring an advocate, attorney, or other support person. The school district may only bring an attorney to the resolution meeting if the parent chooses to bring an attorney. If you need an interpreter, let everyone involved know. It is important that you understand and are able to fully participate in the resolution meeting and process. Some states may provide facilitators for resolution meetings when requested by the parent and school district. There is no requirement in the IDEA that facilitators be made available for resolution meetings. If a facilitator is not an option, and you think it would be good to have someone help with communications, you may want to suggest mediation instead of having a resolution meeting. For more information, see the IDEA Special Education Mediation Parent Guide and Companion videos. The school district must hold a resolution meeting within 15 calendar days of receiving notice of a parent's due process complaint, regardless of whether school is in session. If the school district fails to schedule the resolution meeting within the required time, you can ask the due process hearing officer to schedule the hearing. The school district must make an effort to schedule the meeting at a time when everyone involved can attend. If you are unable to attend the meeting in person, the school district may offer you the option of participating by video conference or conference call. Unless you and the school district have agreed in writing to not have the resolution meeting or to use mediation, it is very important for you to participate in the resolution meeting. If you don't participate, the school district can request that the hearing officer dismiss your due process complaint and cancel the hearing. Prior to the resolution meeting, it is often helpful to identify the issues as you see them and outline what you feel your child needs. Also, write down ideas you have for possible solutions, including practices that have been proven effective, and bring them with you. Organize your documents and write dates and notes on them. Bring them to the meeting along with any other materials that support your viewpoint. Try to think of some questions that the school may ask and write down your possible answers. Think about how you plan to deal with emotions, yours and others, during the meeting. You may also find that if you practice what you want to say at the resolution meeting with a family member, friend, or advocate, you will find it easier to participate during the meeting. Another important strategy going into the meeting is to have an open mind. The meeting is more likely to result in an agreement if everyone listens carefully to one another and is respectful. Resolution meetings are not confidential. If confidentiality is important to you and the school district, you may sign a confidentiality agreement or include it in your resolution agreement. You, however, cannot be required to sign a confidentiality agreement in order to participate in the resolution meeting. Written resolution agreements that families and schools develop together are more likely to be followed. In addition, agreements that are signed by both the parent and school district can be enforced in court and, in some states, by the state education agency. Parents or school districts may, however, cancel a resolution agreement within 3 business days after the agreement is signed. If you don't reach agreement, you and the school district could continue discussions after the resolution meeting, working toward resolving the dispute and reaching an agreement. You could also ask the hearing officer for additional time to resolve the dispute. Another option is to try mediation, where the mediator would help facilitate communications between you and the school. If you and the school do not come to an agreement within 30 calendar days of your due process complaint being filed, you may proceed to a due process hearing. For additional information on resolution meetings, due process complaints, and expedited due process complaints, visit www.cadreworks.org/parent-guides. For state-specific information or individual assistance, contact your state education agency or parent center. The Center for Parent Information and Resources can also assist. They provide information on a variety of special education topics and a current list of all the parent centers in the nation on their website, parentcenterhub.org. To review the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, visit sites.ed.gov/IDEA. This concludes the IDEA Special Education Resolution Meetings Parent Guide Companion video. We encourage you to also view the companion videos for the due process complaints if you haven't already done so, as well as the other family resources located on Cadre's website, www.cadreworks.org/4-families.